So here we have our folding portable sauna bench for our tent saunas. We're gonna set it up. So this is the upper bench. It's upside down right now. So we remove this pin. I'm gonna pin the cross brace here in the middle. Flip it over. These side tubes slide out. Buttons hold it in place here. There's one on each side. And this allows us to attach the footrest. We fold out the legs for the footrest, and we slide it onto the tubes here. Until the buttons are in place. Hold it there and there. Make sure the legs are straight. And that's it.